Hello everyone, in this video let us solve this question. So we have t raised to power 3 over 2 is equal to 3 raised to power 3 over 2, and here we will solve for the value of t. So t is equal to question mark. To solve this solution, so we have t raised to power 3 over 2 is equal to 3 raised to power 3 over 2. So let us factorize half from these powers. So this becomes t raised to power 1 over 2 times 3 is equal to 3 raised to power 1 over 2 times 3. So applying this rule of indices, that if you have a raised to power b times c, this equals in bracket a raised to power b or power of c. Applying this rule right here, this then becomes in bracket t raised to power half all raised to power 3, and also applying it here also, this is then equal to in bracket 3 raised to power 1 over 2 all raised to power 3. So from here, right, applying this rule that if you have a raised to power 1 over 2, this equals the square root of a. Applying this rule over here and here also, what we have is this, that we have in bracket square root of t all raised to power 3 is equal to in bracket square root of 3 all raised to power 3. So with this, let us move this over to this side. This then becomes in bracket square root of t all raised to power 3 minus in bracket square root of 3 all raised to power 3 is equal to, here becomes 0. Now looking at this, what we have is difference of 2 cubed. Okay, if you have something like this, a raised to power 3 minus b raised to power 3, this is equal to in bracket a minus b multiplied by a squared plus ab plus b squared. Okay, and in this case, the value of a is equal to square root t. The value of b is equal to square root of 3, square root 3. So in putting these values of a and b into this, let us then expand this expression. So this is then equal to, in bracket, a is root t minus b root 3 multiplied by a squared. A is root t, so root t all squared plus a is root t times b is root 3, then plus b squared, b is root 3, so root 3 all squared, so all is equal to 0. So from here, what we have is this, in bracket root t minus root 3 multiplied by square cancel square root, t stands alone, plus root t times root 3 is root 3t plus square cancel square root, what we have is 3 is all equal to 0. Now from here, we can equate this to 0 or equate this to 0. So we have, for the first one, root t minus root 3 is equal to 0, or second one, we have t plus root 3t plus 3 is equal to 0. Now, for this first one right here, this linear equation, we should have root t minus root 3 is equal to 0. Move minus 3 over to this side, this becomes is equal to root 3. So from here, square root cancel square root, the value of t is equal to 3. Now we have gotten the first value of t as 3. Okay, so let us then solve for the other values of t from this other equation. Now, what we have right here, we have t plus root 3t plus 3 is equal to 0. So move 3 over to this side and t also to this side, such that root 3t stands alone. So root 3t is equal to plus 3 goes over to this side, it becomes minus 3. Then t also, it becomes minus t. So with this, the next thing is to eliminate the square root from here, and to do so, we have to square the both side of the equation. So in bracket, square root 3t all squared is equal to, in bracket, minus 3 minus t all squared. From here, square cancel square root, 3t is equal to minus 3 minus t all squared is simply minus 3 minus t multiplied by minus 3 minus t. So with this, what we have is 3t is equal to minus 3 times minus 3 is plus 9, minus 3 times minus t is plus 3t, minus t times minus 3 is plus 3t, minus t times minus t is plus t squared. So from here, 3t is equal to 9 plus 3t plus 3t is plus 6t, okay, plus t squared. So then move 3t over to this side. Here becomes 0 is equal to 9 plus 6t, then minus 3t plus we have t squared. So from here, what we have is 0 is equal to 9 plus 6t minus 3t is plus 3t plus t squared. So then let us then rearrange this equation so that we have this. We have t squared plus 3t plus 9 is equal to 0. So from here, to solve this equation, we have t squared plus 3t plus 9 is equal to 0. Now looking at this quadratic equation, to solve for the value of t, we're going to make use of the quadratic formula. And the formula is given by, with respect to t is equal to minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And in this case, the value of a is equal to the coefficient of t squared, which is 1. The value of b is the coefficient of t, which is plus 3, while the value of c is the constant, which is plus 9. So then the value of t is then equal to minus b is 3, then plus or minus square root b squared, that will become 3 squared, then minus 4 times a is 1 times c is 9 all over 2 times a is 1. So with this, all we have is the value of t is then equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 3 squared is 9 minus 4 times 1, 4 times 9 is 36 all over 2 times 1 is 2. So with this, the value of t is equal to, we have minus 3 plus or minus square root of 9 minus 36 is equal to minus 27 all over 2. So with this, t is equal to minus 3 plus or minus, we can express root minus 27 as root minus 1 times root 27 all over 2. So t is then equal to minus 3 plus or minus root minus 1 is I times root 27 can be written as root 9 times 3 all over 2. So with this, the value of t is then equal to minus 3 plus or minus I times root 9 is 3, then times root 3 all over 2. So then let us then factorize out 3 over 2 from here. So t is equal to 3 over 2 into bracket. Here becomes minus 1 plus I then times root 3. So therefore, the second value of t2 is equal to 3 over 2 into bracket minus 1, okay, plus I times root 3, while the third value of t is equal to 3 over 2 into bracket minus 1 minus I times root 3. So with this, I've gotten the value of t2 and t3, and we only have only one real solution for the value of t, which is right here, that t1 is equal to 3. So if you input the value of t1 as 3 into the equation, you will see that it satisfies the given equation. So t equals to what? 3. So with this, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.